Okay, we're ready.
All right.
So we will review the homework or the test.
Let's go over the homework and then do the test.
Yep.
Okay, now let me open that.
Did you guys do okay on the homework quiz? Those last 3 questions that would give you like a scenario and then ask you which test you should use? Have you done that yet for lesson 18?
Oh no, I haven't yet. I was gonna do that after this group chat.
It kind of blindsided me a little bit. I hate that the homework quizzes are not like closer to what you do in the homework assignment.
Right?
I
I
feel
think
like
they're
they
kind of
always
random.
they always throw in some random questions that throw you off.
Keep you on your toes.
I know.
I don't know if it was my kids. I don't know if you noticed it the last test. But more than being helped, I mean, I understand the point of trying to prove that you have knowledge of what the point being reviewed. But I felt that it was more about confusing that actually stating that you knew what it was.
The last exam? Yeah, totally.
Yeah,
I was
because it was
frustrated.
the objective of the question was to confuse you completely more than actually, you know, prove that you know what you know. I mean, if you know the material.
Yeah. I feel like the homework quizzes do that a lot too.
So this I felt very disappointing on the test.
Yeah, because I thought I had done well on it and I didn't. Okay, so number 3.
All right. Number 3.
Okay, so 3A says state the null and alternative hypotheses. I'm not sure that I was word for word what the answer said, but I just said that the null hypothesis was the party association and the in favor and not in favor variables are independent. And the alternative hypothesis, the party association and the in favor and not in favor variables are not independent. Anybody
Yeah, that's what I have.
Okay.
All right.
And then B, the requirements for the test says all expected cell counts must be greater than 5. So that's what the answer said, that it must be greater than 5, but then C kind of contradicts that because it says the requirements were met because all expected counts are greater than or equal to 5. So do you guys know, like, is it greater than or is it greater than or equal to?
I thought it was just greater than, but I didn't even look at the answer key.
I thought it was just greater than also, like when I'm in my reading, but then the answer key had that different on C. And so I wondered if I missed it somewhere. So we'll go with greater than 5.
Okay. We'll stick with ours.
Okay. Did anybody get D?
Yeah, it's a 33.96, but I was stuck in the question that you asked. I was trying to see if it's any difference.
Oh, sorry.
In the question, I believe it's a difference in how the question is formulated. So, but I'm trying to determine
what
If
that
it's
difference is.
specifically related to this or a general rule. Anyway, just was stuck in that. All right. Yeah, D was 33.96.
Okay. And then E, the degrees of freedom
I got equal 0. Equal 1.
equals 1. Okay.
So how'd you find the degrees of freedom? Because I got kind of confused on that one.
Oh, so the formula for degrees of freedom is the number of rows minus 1, so 2 minus 1, times the number of columns minus 1, so 2 minus 1. So it was 1 times 1 is 1.
Oh, okay.
Pretty much what you do is summarize them. In the quiz, pretty much you have to do the same thing. You have to summarize all of them.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, and it was weird for me to get a p-value 0 because in the previous test, what I usually is not common to get 0, so I'm not comfortable putting zeros in there.
I know.
P-value.
Yeah.
So it was kind of tricky to me.
Yeah. So we reject the null hypothesis.
Yep.
Right. And the answer was, according to what it says here, is you have sufficient evidence to show that the party affiliation and the voters' view proposition 8 are not independent.
Yeah, that's what I had as well.
Yep.
All right. So do you guys want to review the questions, the answers that you have, and we can see if everybody has the same?
Yeah, let's compare.
Yeah. All right. I'll start.
We're going on to the quiz, right? Or
Yes.
Yeah, let's go to the quiz.
okay,
Have you
perfect.
taken the quiz
Let me pull
already?
it up. Yeah, I literally just submitted it like
All
a minute before we met.
Okay, I have mine ready to submit. I am sure Cassie said that you have ready yours ready, right?
Yep, I'm ready.
Elena also.
Melina, you ready?
I didn't submit.
Okay.
I didn't.
Okay.
I did it, but I didn't. Okay.
All right, the first one, the number 3 was I got option C,
Yeah.
gender and
Yeah.
voting preferences. For question 4, I have seal as well.
Yep.
Number of rows 1, blah blah blah. What I got for 5, it was number 2.
Yeah.
Number 6, I got A.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Number 7, I got 16.204.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
And this is the one that I said that for the 8, I got 0 for p-value.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I have as well.
Yeah, I got 0.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right. For 9, I'm not sure for this one, but the option that I have is option B.
I have A for this one.
I put the last one.
I had E. But
Is it there is sufficient evidence to suggest that gender and voting preferences are not independent?
are not independent. No, I read it wrong. So I agree with A.
All right. So I'll move with that because I'm not sure about this. All right. And for 10 is true.
Yep.
For
Yep.
11 is 8.
Yeah.
Yep.
For 12 is 7.436.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. I've got 7.201.
I also have 7.436.
Shoot. Okay.
Is this one of the ones where like no, I'm pretty sure this one has to be exact, right?
Yes.
436. Okay. So what did you get for 13 then?
I have 0.49.
Oh yeah, there you go. Yes. Um, for
Did you
for
get that or?
okay.
I had 515.515.
Yeah, because it only shows that it's like, yeah, because you're like a few decimal points
I know.
away from mine. Hmm.
I'm gonna go in and re-download those Excel sheets. I wonder if they've been updated or something since I downloaded.
When was last time you downloaded?
I don't know, like the first of the semester.
Yeah, the instructor said that every time try to download a new version.
Okay.
For some reason, sometimes it doesn't save the changes.
Because I seem to be always just a little bit different than you guys. So
Yeah, it's kind of weird. I mean, I'm sure the formulas are the same.
yeah.
Yeah, maybe like a few numbers change or something. Because you're always just like maybe like 100th off or something than ours.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and re-download those tonight.
All right, for 14, what do you get? I got B.
And that's what I have as well.
Yep.
All right, and then I'm gonna submit right now.
Yeah. B. Okay.
Yeah, everything is well.
Okay.
Everything is good in Zion.
That's good.
Until next week, guys. Do you know anything about the test for next week?
No, I don't even want to think about it. I feel like I have a week to worry about it, and I'll worry about it on Friday.
Oh man.
Yeah. Have
I
we
don't
heard
want-
anything back on our project?
I haven't received an email, but let me see. I haven't checked it for today. Let me see if I got something.
I don't really want to worry about, but honestly, I have to worry
I mean,
about.
if we haven't gotten an email back, does that mean that we're okay? Or
I don't know. I was
No,
expecting
because
some kind of
he's
feedback.
supposed to approve it. He's supposed to say yes. You have the go to use that data. We'll go for the analysis that you're presenting. He has to approve it.
okay, I'll shoot him an email tonight to see what he says. Because as soon as he approves it, we can start. Because isn't it due this week to collect the data?
Next week.
Or next week? Oh, okay. Oh, then I think we're fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but it will be good to remind him. I said that I was gonna send an email. Like honestly, I haven't sent an email to him. So
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I'll send him an email after this and just ask him.
Good.
all right, let me open this. Okay, the
Guys,
test is due the 16th.
Melina, did you want to say something?
Yeah. I need a. I don't know. I'm tired. Sorry.
You're okay.
I need to check the question 11, 13.
11, 12, and 13. Okay. Okay. For 11, we got 8.
Okay, it's the same.
For 12, we have 7.436.
Oh, I have a different. Okay. 7.43.
436. Yep.
Okay. Oh, okay.
And then for 13.49.
4.9.
I'm sorry, Melina. I didn't know
What?
you didn't have the
Oh,
answers. I probably
sorry.
went too fast.
Oh, wait, what?
Sorry, 13. It's the point
49.
49. Okay.
Yep.
All right, guys. Really quick window. I'm reviewing the information for the test, and it says that it's due on Thursday.
Oh, okay.
So
Oh,
it's Tuesday.
next Thursday? Or?
Yes, next
Oh, okay.
Tuesday to Thursday. So we
Okay.
have a 2 days window.
But he says on his announcement that it is due Wednesday night, and he will penalize us for not paying attention to that. So
Oh, okay. So Wednesday.
Wednesday night is what he's saying on his announcement for the week.
I haven't reviewed that, so
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm
good
guilty
thing
of
you
it.
told me because.
yeah, me too.
So yeah, it's I mean, he said Wednesday, so I would say we should probably do it by Wednesday.
Okay, so then do you guys want to,
Yes, totally.
Okay,
I will regroup and we can take the test together.
You're gonna trick
I
us
was
into it, aren't
thinking,
you?
right? I feel like one of these days I'm going to catch myself doing it and then we're all going to fail the class. But so if you're listening to this, Professor, we're just kidding.
We're just kidding.
You know, we really want to
We got you.
graduate. But so do you guys want to move Wednesday's meeting to Thursday instead then?
Yeah, that would be great, actually.
Yeah, let's plan on meeting Monday for sure,
Okay, yeah.
and then let's
Yeah.
go Thursday.
Yeah, and sorry